Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox this GOPRO size GOPRO Vlogging. This is an adapter. To this you can add the mic. And this is the helmet strap mount and Ulanzi Cage GoPro name. And this is the mic I use for vlogging mama. And this is the Turkey Dingos auto case. And this is the Sidrum unbox and like this. This is the GoPro Helmet. After unboxing, this is the mic adapter. We can connect the mic pin and charging also. This is the Ulanzi case used for vlogging. It comes with a cap. You need to remove this. If you want, you can attach this also. And this is the hold for flashlight and mic. This adapter goes here like this. Yes, adapter sit like this, and you want to connect the camera like this. You have to pull this to the right and open this case door, and before inserting the camera you have to open this side door first. Remove the camera side door and place the camera inside here and cover it like this and like this. Now let's open the Telesin Helmet case. Waterproof case. I have tested this for overnight. I have soaked this in water and I tested for overnight. It's really good. Not a single drop of water didn't get in. So the quality is really good. It's open like this. Yes. Place the camera inside here and close it. And these also have steel spring action buttons. The quality is very good. I can close this now. Now let's unbox the helmet strap mount from Telesin. They have rubber padding behind so that it will not scratch the helmet. And the quality is really good and the padding is really soft. As you can see, the rubber is very soft. The Ulanzi case or waterproof case sit like this. I have to lock it with this screw. And this strap mount will sit on the helmet chin. With the setup. Now let's unbox this mic. Oh no. This is a card. Contact pin. The mic we have. We get two clips, this one and this one, and this TRS pin. You have to connect this before connecting this to adapter. Let me show you. These are the mics can be connect here. These are all the setups I use for my vlogging. Now let's check the Sidrum charging case and Sidrum batteries. We have 3 charging slots here. I have bought batteries also extra. These batteries are 1720 mAh, just like the original one, but it won't last like the original one. The original one comes up to 50 minutes to 1 hour. This comes up to 40 minutes to 50 minutes. You can use this charging slot also like carrying case for this battery. It really looks simple. Here's the C-type charging slot. To connect charging, here a blue light will come, and this shows the red lights. Red light means the battery is still charging. Green represents the battery is full. It's really good indicators. You can buy this in online. Here is the setup I use for my motovlogging. Thank you.